The third-generation Volkswagen Tiguan has made its debut in Europe and is set to arrive in the United States the following year. This version will be based on the long-wheelbase version of the Tiguan's body. The exterior design, while reminiscent of its predecessors, incorporates elements from the ID.4 EV, especially noticeable in the closed-off upper grille. This Tiguan is built on the MQB Evo platform, offering front-wheel drive as the standard and an all-wheel drive option. In Europe, Volkswagen has introduced a variety of new powertrain options, though the choices for the US market remain undisclosed. Among these are two plug-in hybrid options that deliver total outputs of either 201 or 268 horsepower. These hybrids are equipped with a 7 kilowatt-hour battery, capable of an electric-only range of up to 62 miles or 100 kilometers. The AC charger has been upgraded to support 11 kilowatts, and the vehicle can handle up to 50 kilowatts when linked to a DC fast charger. Additionally, there are options that come with mild hybrid technology. One such option is the turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine, which is paired with a 48-volt lithium-ion battery and a 48-volt starter generator. Interestingly, this engine features cylinder deactivation, allowing it to operate on just two pistons when necessary. The third-generation Tiguan also boasts a turbocharged 2-liter four-cylinder engine, available in two power outputs, 201 or 262 horsepower. For those interested in diesel, turbo-diesel options are still on the table, with a 2-liter version producing either 148 or 190 horsepower. On the technological front, the Tiguan has received several upgrades. One notable feature is the enhanced adaptive chassis control system, which now collaborates seamlessly with the electronic differential locks. The vehicle also incorporates two-valve shocks paired with a newly adapted control algorithm. The vehicle comes equipped with a range of safety features such as adaptive cruise control, hill start assist, park distance control, lane keep assist, lane change assist, and several others. As of now, the technical specifics of the US spec Tiguan are yet to be disclosed. However, potential buyers and enthusiasts can anticipate this information to be released closer to the vehicle's official launch in the United States. The Volkswagen Tiguan's design evolution is evident in its exterior aesthetics. While retaining the signature Tiguan look, the design now leans more towards a modern and sleek appearance. The closed-off upper grille, which is reminiscent of the ID.4 EV, is a testament to Volkswagen's commitment to integrating electric vehicle design elements into their broader range. This not only gives the Tiguan a refreshed look, but also aligns it with the company's future-forward vision. The introduction of new powertrain options in Europe signifies Volkswagen's dedication to offering a diverse range of choices to its customers. While the exact options for the US market are yet to be unveiled, the European lineup provides a glimpse into the brand's direction. The emphasis on hybrid and mild hybrid technologies underscores Volkswagen's strategy to transition towards more sustainable and eco-friendly mobility solutions. The plug-in hybrid options, with their impressive electric-only range, are particularly indicative of this shift. Inside the vehicle, the updated infotainment system and digital instrument display layout are not just aesthetic upgrades. They represent Volkswagen's push towards a more connected and digital driving experience. The MIB graphic design, consistent with other models like the ID.4, Idaho 5, and ID.7, offers a cohesive user experience across the brand's lineup. The various view modes, Classic, Progressive, Navigation, and R-Line, allow drivers to customize their dashboard view, tailoring it to their preferences and driving conditions. The array of safety features in the new Tiguan, from adaptive cruise control to lane change assist, ensures that drivers and passengers are protected on the road. As the technical details of the US spec Tiguan become available, it will be interesting to see how Volkswagen tailors the vehicle's features to meet the specific needs and preferences of the American market. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.